Hey, fail enthusiasts! Get set for a laugh-packed construction fail fest. From runaway rollers to collapsing cranes, these moments will have you in stitches. Like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more hilarity. Thanks for being here. Let's dive into the mayhem.
Hey there, Giggle Gang! So, didn't those construction fails just blow your mind? Or my hard hat pranksters making you laugh so hard you nearly launched your drink into the next dimension? Don't bail! The clips coming up are so hilarious, they'll make a steel beam snort with laughter. We're talking epic mishaps and machinery with a PhD in hilarity. Leave now, and you'll be haunted by the ghost of missed laughs. Ha! Subscribe, drop your funniest stories, and let's keep the giggles pouring!
That's all for now, squad. If your face isn't sore, I need to rethink my life. Thanks for watching. 7 p.m. tomorrow.